Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change profile picture on Monopoly Go. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen and your current profile picture is going to be shown. So my profile picture is like a black and white anonymous. I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, at the bottom it shows me select avatar. So the first is going to be my profile picture. So since I have linked my Facebook account with my Monopoly Go, it is also showing my Facebook profile picture as an option. So I can click on that and click on save, and my profile picture is going to be similar to whatever my Facebook's profile picture is. And if I change my Facebook's profile picture, the picture here will change as well. But if I don't want to choose my Facebook profile picture, then I can choose whichever avatar I want from this list. Now there are tons of avatars. You can choose whichever one you like. After you choose the one you like, you can click and save at the bottom and your profile picture will change just like this. It's that simple. Now in Monopoly Go, you cannot upload a picture from your gallery and choose it as a profile picture. If you want to do that, you just have to link your Facebook and change the profile picture of your Facebook, and through that only you can change the picture over here. So that is the only option you have if you want to upload a picture from your gallery. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Monopoly Go videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.